Dear IELTS aspire, welcome back to my YouTube, and this is another continuation of the videos I make for you about the cue card. It says describe an important thing you learned not at school or college. When did you learn it? How did you learn it? Why did you think it was important to learn it? And how you felt when you learned it? As far as I'm concerned, I'm a person who is quite inquisitive, who keeps asking questions, who keeps learning. In my case, I was waiting for someone who was supposed to paint some vinyl sheet at my window, and where I live, there are that labor and such kind of pasters, they are quite expensive. So I first waited for that person, and then he said that I'll be coming on Sunday. He didn't come on Sunday. Then he said that I'll be there by Monday, etc. But he wasn't there. So eventually I thought that I should try it myself. So I tried searching it on YouTube, on different places, and I got to know that how can I paste a good vinyl sheet on properly, so that there are no bubbles on that, so there is no kind of a hegemony or a problem. So yeah, I did it myself, and I got a clue that I have to shower some water mixed with shampoo, so that it loses its strength, and then once I paste it, and then I can take care of it throughout. I had to work on that horizontally, vertically, differently. I did that, and I got to know that the thing went well in the end, and I was kind of amazed at my own art, and it saved me pretty penny, by the way. To cut a long story short, there was a kind of a pasting I was doing at my mirror, and I learned it not in school nor in college. So that's what I had to say about it. Thank you for patient hearing. Bye bye.